Good morning everybody. My name is Ariza and today I am here to represent my PowerPoint presentation on the topic of renewable and non-renewable resources. Let's begin with the first slide. What is energy? What is actually our energy? The answer is very lucidly simple. It is energy is everything that is capable of producing a change in matter. Did you get my point? As the law of conservation states that energy can be only transferred through bodies and objects. Let's move to the second point. Main characteristics of energy. We have 4 points. Let's elaborate it. The first is to transform it. The second is to transfer it. The third is to store it. And the fourth is to transport it. These are the main characteristics of energy. Let's move to the third slide. It is one of the most important slides. Let's start it. What is renewable energy? In simple points, everything. Renewable energies are those that we derive from the nature. For example, wind, sun, or water. Now we have main characteristics of renewable energy. The main characteristics of renewable energies are, it is very clear, it is very clean, and we do not have to depend on any other countries for that. Although it helps for job creation too. Let's move to the next slide, which says types of renewable energy. We have a lot of renewable energies with us. We have solar energy, hydraulic, SIA, aeric, biomass, and geothermal. Advantages of renewable energy. They do not pollute and they are very environmentally friendly. The second is they are unlimited in our nature. They are safe and good for our future. What is non-renewable energy? Non-renewable energy are those that we obtain from fossil fuels, oil and natural gas. So if I delineate the underlying forces, then we are facing a lot of crises of non-renewable energy. Let's imagine a hypothetical situation. Our ancestors were using clay pots and copper gases for centuries, but still we are choosing to use plastic. Plastic is a very harmful material, although it can disturb your hormones as well and lead to serious lung diseases. Fossil-hilly-pilification of natural resources are like this is very wrong. Now, the main point is main characteristics of non-renewable resources. It causes pollution. It is very limited in nature. Although we have to depend on other countries for this. For example, just imagine being dependent on Iran for coal and petrol. Types of non-renewable energy: petroleum, natural gas, coal, and nuclear energy. Let's continue with this. Now come to the conclusion part. We have renewable and non-renewable energy. Both have its own advantages and disadvantages. For example, renewable energy is very clean and clear. On the other hand, the non-renewable energy is very non-friendly to the environment. Although it can unbalance your hormones and lead to serious diseases. That was it from my side. Thank you so much for listening.